How you guys doing this morning? Mom back on 96 and Ewing at TMB. Going in. Time to get those sounds. I got some epic for y'all. We got that trunk revealing going on for that Chevy Caprice, that red box Chevy 1985, the turbo bandana. Let's go. Yeah, I know you guys been waiting to see. Looks like I'm gonna have to get those gas. I got some G-Shocks to go back here. Now she got all the sounds in the trunk. I'm gonna have to throw those G-Shocks to give her a lift up in the back, but that's gonna be the next project coming soon. Mom, I got to come around here and start you guys up. We're gonna start off. We already got the interior done for you guys. Everything not cleaned up, of course. We got shop, you know, it's been sitting up here. I'm gonna have to clean up, take a few things on in, clean her up the appropriate way. I still got the amps and everything back here, but yeah, we're gonna show you guys the sound and how everything's quaking out. So oh, that trunk's beautiful. Flash on. Working with the 215s, and then we got the 4,000 watt amp in the back with the 4-channel crossover. Everything clean, got the Dynamat laid out. Carpet clean, everything clean and tucked. Again, we're right here on 96 in Ewing, Chicago, Illinois. Come check us out. Right next to TMB. You got the body workshop, the rim shop, and the sound shop connected together. These guys know what they're doing. We're finished in a good time. I know you guys been waiting for this sound revealing. Let's go. Got the extra battery. Everything fresh. Wires fresh. Amps working, running. Okay. Go ahead, throw on that. I got a special request. Big man. Big man. I got a special request. I got a special request for the song. Can you change it? Just take me somewhere secret. Gonna cut all of the lights down. Just gonna get out your world. We gonna just know it. Let me see. Did you type it in on there? By the way, that's my boy here. He did the sounds. He did everything himself. Man, everything's... Go on it and type in something appropriate so we can hear how these levels going.
What up? What do you think I'm at, man? Hey, man, what I told you earlier, man,
She coming together. MONEYMA subscribe. Let's go. No bed.
Red dogs in my trap, got me 400 songs, just rapping nothing. Ain't no time, I'm trying to push up. She ain't got no pencils, so I'm ready to go. 2 dogs, 2 shots of Patron.
no bitch, no white. Like heart, you need a bug in your life. But young nigga straight, come through and beat it up. Let your man be the free, he is it up. Shawty got the fire, she never die, yeah. Got a hawk with
Okay.
call it red, red. Gotta get on the street, got the right thing. She a bad bitch, y'all really know. Face like Trina and the ass like
in my trap, got me for a half song, still trapping all day. Can't wait till my time was up. Bitch, you ain't got no pants on, so as it is Doge, got me for a time was up.
Nice. The Dynamite stopped that trunk from showing off the right.
My trap got me for a half song, still trapping all day. Can't wait till my time was up. Bitch, you ain't got no pants on, so as it is Doge, got me for a time was
Yeah, the Dynamite make the big difference.
Matter of fact, my bottle bitch love to ride pine. She know what daddy mean the block that is cut time. I'm in the trenches, in the riches with my comrades. We fold hoes up like slacks in the player pad. Pretty skin, silky hair, plus that ass fit. Fresh kicks on your feet, yeah, I'm thinking that. Looking psycho, your boy slinging for a bitch. You want that straight drop, put it on the bitch. Cause the one that be freaking shit, man. 2 drinks, 3 beers. I'm just comfortable, man.
my trap got me for a half song, still trapping all day.
Okay. Trying to see what you were saying though. Gotta clean up, that's all.
It's connected.
Don't connect. Okay. But yeah. Nasty, y'all. Nasty. Nasty. Yeah. Right way.
We don't play favorites. We make custom fit floor liners for every vehicle type. Trucks, SUVs.
Running, riding right. Everything sounding right. Big man. We're gonna see what these highs working with. I'm gonna see what these other bass knobs going to here. Good amperage going, 13.8 volts. We looking for a decent song right now. See, I like my baby, my Kenwood here. She compatible with Pandora, iHeartRadio, Spotify, SiriusXM. I wanted to know whether you figured out
No, because you have that one.
just the one bass knob.
Yeah.
So the
It's not
fours.
good to have too many.
So you disconnected them?
No, I didn't install it.
Oh, you never. Okay.
It's in a brand new box.
No, I mean these.
Those are
Extra.
old. Those for the old.
Okay.
The amp is right there.
Okay.
The old amp.
Okay. That's for the old amp. Okay. So they're not running paired with this one, is what you're saying in this system.
No. You only
Okay.
have the one amp on the
Just the
EQ. one.
Okay.
That's your sub level.
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
having too many is not good.
Okay. Yeah. Say having too many running is not good, but again, Shop Man knows best. I had to have a few of them disconnected. I had a little higher power in here before. But he hooked up a different sound system, so he disconnected. I got 1, 2. You say these go to the audio pipes. 3. And we're just working from the 1 bass knob here. Okay. Let's see something else. What we gonna do? Trying to get into this. Yeah, so far so good. Looking good, sounding good.
You ready for the weekend, Miss Miller?
Yeah.
You're ready to party?
Oh yeah, man. It's going down. It's definitely going down.
It sounds.
Hey, how do you get to your search? Put on another song. You can sample another song.
Yeah.
Go and put on something you know they got some good bass in it, big man. Take it away. Go on and throw on some money, Ma.
But I think what
I know you gotta
have
put
right now.
yourself out there. Don't throw on that money, my smoke rings. Yes, sir.
I think what you have right now, that's just perfect. It's the highs sound really clean and loud. The bass sounds really loud and clean. The trunk is really clean.
Hell yeah. Everything's clean. The highs are clean, as you say. Yeah, the
Everything.
trunk, everything is clean.
And you
I love
haven't
it.
noticed one thing that I'm gonna tell you.
What's
You
that?
haven't noticed one thing.
Yeah,
On the trunk, you haven't noticed anything.
correct.
No.
What's that?
No.
This is something I'm supposed to notice.
He wants a whole lot of something too.
I was being super
And that's
nice.
the nugget I call.
Remember, your amp used to be a DSAT.
Yeah.
I kept that one and I give you the same brand name, Nemesis. And you got everything Nemesis.
Yeah.
So
Yeah, I
over
realized. I realized that.
Pies. That's not your
Oh
real
man, yeah, he hooked me up. At first he had the music in the inside plate, he kept the amp, sent it back to the shop. It would have been brand new. But what he did is he stayed, he replaced everything.
Same brand, everything.
Yeah.
Because your original amp, it was a DSAT. When I laid down the board, it didn't match up. So what I did, we got a new Nemesis 4,1600 by 4 amp.
Okay. Nasty. That's looking good. That's that money my smoke brings. M-O-N-E-Y smoke. M-O-N-E-Y smoke brings. Make sure y'all download that. That's on Spotify, available on every streaming music platform in the world. Y'all stay tuned with that M-O-N-E-Y money my movement. Y'all know I'm doing it. Y'all ain't seen nothing that's clean. Y'all ain't seen nothing that's clean, baby. Look at my baby. Only thing I'ma do, I'ma get those G-Shocks in the back to lift up. Now she got the box in the back, already got the shocks ready. Like I say, that's my next stop. Y'all make sure y'all stay up with those videos. I told y'all I was gonna bring y'all an exclusive insight to the 24 interior speakers into my trunk. So, like you see, everything clean, cut, precise, nothing hanging, nothing, no wires, nothing out of place. You know what I'm saying? No extras. Back baseboard fitting right. Everything screwed down and held down the appropriate way. And plus it's insurance. You got good insurance on that equipment. So yeah, make sure y'all come on in over here to 96 and you want to tune in to the sound guys over here. Let's go. Y'all know I always try to give y'all something exclusive. Always give y'all something exclusive to listen to.
I take a look at my life and realize it's not enough. Cause I've been blasting and laughing so long that even my mama thinks that my mind is gone. But I ain't never crossed a man that didn't insult you. TV treated like a punk, you know that's unheard of. You better watch how you're talking and when you're walking, or you and your homies might be lying. I really hate the trip, but I gotta low. At the coke, I see myself in the pistol smoking fool. I'm the kind of nigga that the homies wanna be like on my niggas.
Only thing I gotta do is buy that carpet and rerun that carpet. I have to do a little seal on my windshield. Hold on, no bass wasn't even on. Bass wasn't on. I thought the bass was on the whole time. I thought the bass was on the whole time. The bass wasn't even on. From what I hear, it sounds like the bass on.
Got my tin in my hand and the gleam in my eye. I'm a tripping banker. And I'm gonna ride my cup fool. But I'm the way I'm living life. What can I say? I'm pretty now. Just 24 the way. I don't know. Tell me why are we so blind? That's the one we heard. Are you and me? I'm standing on the everybody's running, but half of them ain't looking what's going on in the kitchen. But I don't know what's cooking. They say I got to learn, but nobody's here to teach me. If they can't understand it, how can they teach me? I guess they...
Okay. Everything's all good. Yeah, I'm getting ready to go ahead and square away this pavement. He done did his thing, man. He went cuckoo bananas in the trunk. Beautiful. One last look before we get on up out of here. Make sure you guys subscribe to Money Ma Films. MONEYMA Films. Gonna get up here and square him away with this payment now. For sure, I'm ready. I'm waiting on you, big boss.
Hey, y'all wanna jump around?
Yeah. Yeah.
You guys eat?
Yeah. Appreciate y'all. See you in the front.
Yeah, sure.
All right. Nice classic red drop top Corvette over here too, y'all. Nasty. Look like a rag top. Pulling on out. That's nasty. Pretty. Rag top, drop top. Here we go. Pulling on around to the front. Baby getting on up out of there. make sure you guys YouTube subscribe. Again, MONEYMA Films. That's something solid, so you guys could easily find me. I guarantee you, when you type in MONEYMA Films, you're gonna come right to my page. You know, I know it was a lot of I do a lot of work, you guys. Everything as far as Elite Designer Flight Gear Fashion Outlet. I'm the CEO and founder, in which you can catch that website at www.elite-fashion-designer.com. Yeah, thank you again. He done pulled my baby on around to the front. Get him squared away. Now I hit you guys right back. Make sure you guys follow me. Download that music. Again, I'm a music artist and producer of over 15 years. So you guys check out some good quality music. You guys can find me at MONEYMA. Anything that you download, make sure I got a few hot tracks out there. I like to go around the world and perform. So if y'all need me, book me, hit me up. Y'all know how to comment, hit me up, let me know what y'all want to see. I'll bring that car on down there too. Y'all know how I'm coming. Let's go.